Zhenjiang, a historic city overlooking the powerful Yangtze River, is a place where ancient heritage blends seamlessly with modern skylines. From the tranquil Jinshan Temple rising above misty hills, to the legendary Jiaoshan Island floating quietly in the river's embrace, Zhenjiang offers countless stories carved into its serene landscapes. The city is famous for its fragrant vinegar, known as one of China's finest, its unique river culture, and timeless scenic views that poets have praised for over 1,000 years. Zhenjiang stands as one of Jiangsu Province's most culturally influential cities, carrying a legacy that few others in the region can match. Today, we will journey through its geography, culture, economy, architecture, and future vision. Let's begin this exploration of Zhenjiang, where history meets the skyline. Zhenjiang is located in eastern China, sitting strategically at the intersection of the Yangtze River and the Grand Canal, two of the most important waterways in China's history. This unique geographical position helped shape Zhenjiang into a major transport hub centuries ago. Its climate is warm and humid, offering mild winters, lush greenery, and vibrant summers ideal for tourism. The terrain is a beautiful mix of rivers, rolling hills, and urban districts. Mount Jin, Mount Jiaoshan, and Mount Beigu form the city's three famous hills, each with its own legends. Among the most famous is the story of the White Snake, tied to Jinshan Temple. According to folklore, the temple once held the power to seal mythical creatures, adding a sense of mystery that inspires visitors to this day. Speaking of mysteries, did you know that some locals believe Jiaoshan Island hides ancient manuscripts beneath its cliffs? Whether true or not, the rumor adds another layer of charm to this river city. What do you think might be hidden there? Share your guesses in the comments below. Zhenjiang is home to more than 3 million residents, most of whom speak Zhonghua Mandarin, along with local dialects that reflect centuries of cultural blending. The city also includes communities influenced by the Yangzhou and Nanjing regions, creating a rich linguistic and cultural tapestry. The people of Zhenjiang are known for their hospitality and strong culinary traditions. Zhenjiang vinegar, for example, is a treasured ingredient used across China, and internationally traditional festivals, riverside tea houses, and local operas continue to thrive in the city's cultural districts. If you appreciate deep cultural stories and immersive travel content, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more journeys across China. Zhenjiang's economy is a balanced mix of manufacturing, port logistics, and high-tech industries. As part of the Yangtze River economic belt, the city plays a crucial role in connecting trade routes between eastern and central China. Industrial parks in Zhenjiang are home to companies specializing in new energy, smart manufacturing, shipbuilding, and green technology. Compared to nearby Nanjing or Suzhou, two giants in innovation, Zhenjiang is smaller but growing rapidly, focusing on precision manufacturing and sustainable development. Its high-tech zone has become a rising hub, attracting domestic and international investment, and making Zhenjiang an emerging player in China's modern industrial landscape. Zhenjiang's urban design beautifully integrates historical sites with contemporary districts, while modern skyscrapers and commercial zones rise along the river. Centuries-old temples, pagodas, and stone bridges remain preserved within the city's green hills. This harmonious balance is one of Zhenjiang's most unique qualities. Transportation is highly efficient. High-speed rail connects Zhenjiang to Shanghai, Nanjing, and other major cities within hours. The river ports remain active, and the modern highway network strengthens its position as a regional logistics center. Within Jiangsu Province, Zhenjiang holds strategic importance as a cultural and economic connector between Nanjing and Yangzhou. Regionally, it contributes strongly to the Yangtze River Delta, the powerhouse of China's economy. Globally, while not as internationally famous as Shanghai or Suzhou, Zhenjiang quietly influences global trade through its port industries and exports its cultural heritage, especially its vinegar and ancient temples, continues to attract international scholars and travelers seeking authenticity beyond China's biggest cities. Zhenjiang aims to strengthen its role as a green, smart, and livable city. Future plans focus on ecological conservation of its hills and rivers, expansion of smart manufacturing zones, and the enhancement of cultural tourism. The city envisions a future where modern innovation grows alongside the preservation of its ancient beauty. Have you ever visited Zhenjiang? Did the misty hills, ancient temples, or the great Yangtze River leave a long-lasting impression on you? Share your experiences, stories, or questions in the comments below. Your perspective brings this journey to life.